Hey guys, so I was going to show you all a quick little thing, a little tip here. If you're mowing your own yard and you sharpen the blade yourself, there's a pretty easy way to go ahead and sharpen it. But for the most part, we want to keep about a 30-degree angle on the sharpening, and you'll see a lot of different things out there where it's between 30 and 45. We have a professional machine that sharpens them. It's set at 30 degrees. This will give you one of the better cuts. Most manufacturers are going to be about 30 degrees. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the best, most cost-effective way to sharpen your blade. So if you don't have one of these laying around the house, you can get them pretty cheap, but it is an angle grinder. They're not much to them. Just get the electric one. If you have an air compressor, you can get a pneumatic. You just want to make sure you get the blade that is for metal. You can get whatever thickness works for you. We generally do the thin ones because we have a lot of hedge trimmers also. But what you want to do is on your blade is just keep the same angle that you have, and you just go across it, and this way, and just keep a nice even motion. You can get some tools that will mount onto this right here, or on the blade and onto the angle grinder. It'll help you keep a nice smooth stroke and keep that angle. But since you only need to sharpen your blade a couple times a year, I would just use the angle grinder by itself and make a nice smooth stroke and keep that angle right there, and you can keep them sharpened. Of course, the more you damage the blade, the more you want to sharpen it. But that'll be a quick little way to do it. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure. You probably get these for $40 and up, 40 to 80, I'm guessing. They're not too terrible. But any questions, just leave a comment below and we'll get it answered. Thank you.